this video I will show you how to change any character walk cycle into progressive walk cycle. We have one character walk cycle here, so before changing into progressive walk cycle, we have to make sure that whenever this character is in contact pose, so for example when this leg is going backward from this pose, so we have to make sure that this motion should be in a linear tangents so that we can avoid slidings in a walk cycle. So from here, frame number 9 to 23, it should be linear. Now other leg also same. Whenever this leg is on contact pose, from contact pose to when it is going backward, so keep that motion in linear tangents. So once you are done, select all the controller except global controller, change it to cycle. Now we are going to change to progressive walk cycle. Now just select the global controller now and just go to the close-up of foot controller. Just go to the frame number 1. Keep this leg near to the this edge, just for the reference, and just key it there and just go to the frame number 2. Just try to place it exactly on the same place. Once you adjust one frame, just go to the graph editor, select this curve and change it to linear and turn on cycle with offset. Now this walk is converted to the progressive walk. Go to the curve, bake channels, keep this spare curve bakes, turn on this and just bake it. So this is how we can change any character walk cycle into a progressive walk cycle.